everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your password for Guri account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in Guri.me and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Guri, which looks like this. Click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner and make sure that you are signed into your account by entering your email address and password for Guri. After clicking on the login button, you'll land in the main home page for Guri. Once you're logged into your Guri account, click on the profile icon at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up, click settings. You'll end up in the login information page. Now, type in your current password in the text box right under current password over here at the top. If you've lost your current password, you can click on this lost your password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Once you type in your current password, make sure that the account email that is typed in over here is correct. And on the next field, type in the new password you'd like to change to. You can recheck the password by clicking this little eye icon at the right corner. Now, repeat your password on the next field and click on Save Changes. Once you do that, you'll be able to change to a new password for Guri account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.